In a stern warning to Parliament members, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has cautioned union ministers and MPs against holding long conversations in the House while proceedings are underway. Speaking on Thursday, Birla said that as soon as the zero hour began at 12 noon, he observed members and ministers engaging in half an hour long chats during House sessions. The Speaker clarified that while short and important conversations are permitted, lengthy discussions disrupt proceedings and undermine the dignity of the House. I will name you in future. It is important to maintain the dignity of the House, he warned, emphasizing that naming a member is considered a formal warning. Earlier, during the question hour, Birla had reprimanded Independent MP Pappu Yadav for talking to another member while turning his back to the chair. The Speaker remarked that senior members such as Yadav should refrain from such behaviour and set a proper example in the House. This latest warning comes as part of the Speaker's efforts to maintain decorum and ensure the smooth functioning of the Lok Sabha during the upcoming budget session in the Parliament.